Okay, so I've come through here and I put a big thick layer of liquid nail on the edge, across the front here, and on the stringers. Good heavy layer of it. This is going to be everywhere where the wood is going to come in contact. And so when we flip this board over here in just a second, you'll see it's going to lay in the bed of this liquid nail, and we're going to screw it down, and this dude will be stuck nice and tight. All right, so let's get this floor, we'll get it flipped over and laid in this bed of liquid nail, and then we'll come back and screw it. We're using 1 5/8 screws on the stringers, and we're going to use 1 inch on the outer edge because it's a little smaller. Feels really good. Let's put some screws in. Now on the outside edge, I'm going to use a shorter screw. That pulls down really good on the outside edge. This floor is going to be nice and tight in this boat. Very happy with the way this floor is setting in. All right, I'm not going to bore you with a bunch of screws, but I'm going to finish this out, and then I'm going to cut the next piece. And we're going to make our pieces for the bottom here for our joints. All right, just like the first sheet, we used an adhesive, and we went and glued it across the top of the stringers along the edges here. This is the second sheet. It's going to lay this away. I already got it all cut out. I've got it coated with resin, and it's ready to be applied down. Let's go ahead and put our adhesive on. Put a real good bead of adhesive. Don't want no cracking sound, no noise. So we'll put a good heavy layer of adhesive on here. All right, now we have our adhesive on. We're going to take the board, we're going to flip it over, and we're going to screw it down. All right, let's go ahead and flip this board over and we'll set it in. just like that. The next thing we'll do is we'll get in here and start setting screws in. These are 1 5/8 screws I'm using on the stringers. And that's sucked down real good and tight. What we want. And I got a dead battery. Guess I should have been better prepared for the video. I got a Milwaukee back here though. He ready to go. All right, I'm gonna put all the rest of the screws in, guys. I'm not gonna bore you with a bunch of video of me screwing this down. And the next video, we're gonna put our low point drains in the back. We have to lay this piece out. We're gonna lower the floor down a little bit in the back so the water can go out the back through a scupper. And that'll be in our next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Please leave comments. If you would, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a great day.